11 men and women, parish councillors, chosen from among the faithfuls of the Evangelical Church of Cameroon, Njonjo 1 Bali Parish of the Vuri Center Synodal Region. The presentation of these ministers, Sunday, March 13, 2022, was an occasion for these faithfuls to thank God for His mercies and graces for the growth of His church and their community.
For councillors, they are those responsible for the structural development of the community. That is, they are those who make sure that the temple receive Christians should be worthy.
Drawing inspirations from the biblical text of this second Sunday of Lent, Pastor Bila Mbenga Alexander exhorted the councillors and the faithfuls to inherit the faith of the first believers like Abraham and Paul. Pastor Bila reminded these councillors that they are receiving a responsibility and not a crown, as he spelled out their duty, a duty which they say they freely accepted.
Non, 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 pas du tout. C'est un libre choix. On est désigné et après, si vous acceptez, vous êtes retenu. Et puis, voilà ce que nous avons vécu aujourd'hui.
This is their own way for the mission of Christ to be accomplished.
C'est ceux que nous avons vus et qui en ont reçu le talent.
These are those we saw who have the talent, because not everyone can do that, and we said come, not for the society, but in the church, to put this talent at her disposition of Jesus Christ, such that His church should develop.
The new councillors were then received by the representatives of the governor, the senior divisional officer for Vuri Division, traditional rulers, and the entire congregation in their different groups. Parish councillors, according to Article 45 of the Internal Rules and Regulations of the Evangelical Church of Cameroon, must be practicing Christians ready to bring their talents, intellectual, material, and spiritual resources, and are charged with contributing to the development of their community as their competencies permit.